after drawing the figure, after plotting the actual situation, we must go what is required and what is given, and required and given are in which trigonometric ratio. If perpendicular and base, we will use tan or cot. If perpendicular and hypotenuse, we will use sine or cosec. If base and hypotenuse, we will use what? Cos or sec. Here perpendicular and hypotenuse are the situations. So perpendicular and hypotenuse are used in the sine. So we will use sine 60 degree is equals to x upon 15 minus x. Sine 60 degree value from trigonometric table is root 3 by 2 is equals to x upon 15 minus x. If we cross multiply, 2x is equals to root 3 times of 15 minus x. So 2x is equals to root 3 into 15 minus root 3 into x. If we shift this root 3 here, we will get 2 plus root 3 times of x is equals to 15 root 3, or answer of x will come out 15 root 3 upon 2 plus root 3. Now we can rationalize this part. We will get x is equals to 15 root 3 times of 2 minus root 3 upon 2 plus root 3 into 2 minus root 3. That is, conjugate of 2 plus root 3 is multiplied in numerator and denominator both. So this become x is equals to 15 root 3 times of 2 minus root 3 upon a minus b, a plus b. This become a square minus b square. That is, a square means 2 square 4, b square is root 3, that is 3. So answer of x is 15 root 3 into 2 minus root 3 upon 1. Hence x, that is the height, that is the answer of BC, is equals to 15 root 3 into 2 minus root 3 meters. This is the required height from where tree of height 15 meter must be broken to make an angle of 60 degree with the base under the given situation. So there are various uses like finding the width of river, speed of cars, and then speed of the aeroplanes, and finding the depth of the sea. There are certain type of uses of this topic in our daily life. Now I am taking one more situation where we will use angles of elevation and depression. We will use the trigonometric table, and very interesting example. Suppose there is a tower of height 50 meters. This is a tower. Suppose AB, its height is 50 meter. One person is standing on the top of this tower, that is at point A, and observes that the angles of depression of top and bottom of the top and bottom of a pole. Which pole? CD. CD is the pole whose height is not given. Suppose it is of height h meters. There is a tower AB. A person is sitting or observing from the top of its top the angles of depression of the top and bottom of a pole of height h meters. One finds that the angle of depression, as the word depression comes, then we must automatically understand that we are toward the higher side and objects which are to be observed are toward the lower side. Angle of depression of the top of the pole is how much? 45 degree. This is angle of depression of the top of the pole, 45 degree. And angle of depression of the base of the pole or bottom of the pole is suppose 60 degree. This is 60 degree. So this also alternate interior angle property accordingly will be 60 degree. So what is the situation? Situation is AB is any tower. We can write AB is the tower of height 50 meters. and from the top of this tower, a person is observing the angles of depressions of the top and bottom of a pole of height h meters as 45 degree and 60 degree. Now find the height of this pole or find the distance between their bases. We can ask two things here. So in order to understand it, what we need to do? First of all, we will apply that triangle ABD is right triangle. In triangle ABD, AB is how much? 50 meters. AB is 50 meters and suppose BD I want to calculate. So BD is supposed as x meters. This is suppose x meter, and theta here is given for this triangle 60 degree. So if we apply tan theta, that is perpendicular upon base, we will notice tan 60 is equals to 50 upon x. Tan 60 is root 3 from table. This is 50 upon x, and after cross multiplying this we will get x is equals to 50 upon root 3 meters. So if it is required, what is the distance between their bases or what is the distance between their feet? That x is 50 by root 3 meter. One thing. Now the second, how to calculate this height? Suppose this is the point E. This is h. So height, this one is also h. So if this height CD is h, as CD is h meters, we can say CD is parallel and equal to BE. So this implies BE is also equal to h meters. Total height AB is 50 meters, and out of this AB, BE portion is h meters. So we can say the portion AE is equals to 50 minus x meters.